I think the main benefit for me from running, perhaps even beyond the health thing, is just that mental break, the start of the day, the alternative to the commute. I work at home. I need that distance between home and work, and that's my morning run. So that gives me that nice break. Hi, my name's Julian. I've been a Vitality customer for 8 years. I started running because I wasn't really doing any exercise at all. It just seemed like an easy way, and I had a few friends who'd done the couch to 5K thing, so I thought I'd give that a go. I was coming towards feeling that as I'm getting older that, it's time to do something about it. I can't just go to the pub and do those things that I've always done. It's time to start looking after myself. Prior to starting, the thing that really put me off was just being lazy, just busy life, too much going on, lots of travel with work, busy work, and just never finding the time or making the time for myself. I've got a young family, so it was very difficult to prioritize these types of things. So since before COVID, I've been working at home, and the commute element's gone from my day, and I'm actually still working at home a lot. So I treat my morning run as a bit like a commute. It's the time when I clear my head. It's time when I get to do my own thing for half an hour, when otherwise I would have been commuting. I remember thinking about that couch to 5K and thinking there's no way that I could run 5K. 8 years later, I'm entering the London Marathon, and putting in a half decent time. I'm enjoying the running. I'm feeling better. Who'd have thought that, me sat on the sofa thinking about couch to 5K would get to a marathon 10 years later. Vitality's made it easy, and he's made it motivating. So, some of the rewards you get, being able to get things like the running shoes, not having to pay full price for running shoes, that makes it easy to be wearing nice kit when you're out running. The Vitality point system, I think, is the motivation. It's the reminder that makes you do something most days. I get quite anxious if I'm not going to get to the points. It feels like I've sort of let myself down a bit. So that measurement and that tracking, I think, is a real motivator for me hitting my health goals. I guess on some days when it's harder to collect the points, what I'm doing is perhaps I'm going to the office. So I'll definitely do things like take the stairs and just wander around more than I would normally, because I'm conscious of those step counts. Keeping healthy through the motivation from Vitality has definitely made a positive impact, not just on my physical health, but on my mental health. I feel more able to cope with stress, and as well as just feeling better about myself, the way that I look. Might have gone down a belt size or two, just all through running and through that motivation that I've got. When it comes down to it, it's really just about staying healthy, as you're getting older in life, just keeping active, doing things that keep yourself fit, and that's the point of it all for me.